default, at least my mind's default, is negativity. It wants to focus on the one thing we don't have rather than the 10 things we do have. By consciously bringing your awareness to the 10 things you do have every day, you are catapulting yourself into a higher vibration. Your frequency rises, and you open yourself up to receive even more. When we focus on the one thing we don't have, we fall into lower vibrational feelings. We go into a state of lack. So what's the secret to manifesting success? Gratitude. Gratitude is the precursor to manifesting. It must come from the heart, and it must come first. Grab a notebook and a pen, and let's get down to making our gratitude list. It's really great to generate new things you're grateful for every day, and it can be small things like, I saw 2 amazing butterflies yesterday, or I got the best rickshaw driver, he was so friendly, or they had watermelon at the fruit stand. So it doesn't have to be big things, but it's being aware of the things throughout your day that actually bring you joy, that you're actually grateful for, and saying thank you. The next step in your gratitude practice is to feel in your heart why you're grateful. So in my list, I would write out all of those feelings associated with being grateful. And I take a few minutes to feel those feelings. Wow, today I feel so stoked. And already I start to feel those high vibrational feelings rising within me of gratitude, of thankfulness, of joy. So as we go through our list in writing each and every good thing we're grateful for, after your main thing, make sure to write the why. The more we practice living in perpetual gratitude, the faster our lives will change for the better. Now you know the secret to manifesting success. Writing your gratitude list out every day, diving in to the why, and feeling the feelings inside your body catapult you into manifesting success. I'd love to hear what you're grateful for today. Go ahead and drop that in the comments below. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.